Dad, can you help Jilana? Say please, how you say it? Please. Hold this one. Honey, can you hold this one? She wanna, but there's no lock though, Jilana. Daddy has to help you. I know, but there's no lock. Yeah. See, she's thinking she can latch it. Yep. Oh, Jilana, you hit me. Oo. Hello, Maricar. Ewan ko. Tingnan mo, ang daming mumu ni Maricar. Ay, ang mumu. Ano ba yan, Maricar? Oh, did you clean that too, Jilana? You helped Dad? Oh, wow. Oh, she cleaned the window? Okay. Thank you. Dami mong mumu ah. Maricar. Kanina umabot ang 600 yan, di ba, Chay? Umabot ng 600 kanina yan. Oo, ewan ko dyan. Si Chay may... Ayan, 580. Matawa. Si... 2. Go. Hoy, ang dami yan tuloy. Oo, malamang. Oo nga, hindi ko... Sana all. Wow. Okay. Okay, read. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Wow! Be careful. Oh, yan, oh, umabot pa ng ano, uy. Ano ba yan? Kaloka. Wow! Hey! Oh, yan na nga. Astig, ano ba yan? Sumakit ang tiyan ko dyan, ah. O, di pa tayo nagtatagal, ah. Did you bike already? You wanna go bike? Jilana, Daddy said it's not a nice word. You better be saying nice word. Okay, say nice word. No. You're gonna be Peppa Pig. Do you like Peppa Pig? Why? No, Peppa Pig is not scary. Two nose? You have a two nose? Peppa Pig is nice. I like Peppa Pig. Oo. Okay, thank you, Chay. Binabaha pa kayo, Maricar? May baha dyan? Wala na daw baha sa Mindanao. Ay, wala nang ulan sa Mindanao. Oh, thank you, Chay. So, anong binabaha kayo dyan? Hello, MJ. Be careful. Whoa. Oh, there's helicopter. Mother, dito pa ako kay baby. Yeah, Jilana. Oh, wow, masarap yan na. Prito. Ano yung ginisa? Oh, wow. You got it. Ginisa yan.